Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are in the world, and welcome to Traders Motivation. Today is another market review on Tuesday the 31st of January 2017, and we're just going to do some live technical analysis, see where the markets are, give you some trade ideas, apply some Fibonacci's maybe, use some trend lines, supply and demand zones, and find where some likely setups are going to form. So today we've got the Euro-USD daily chart in front of us. Last week we had a look at this and I advised taking a short on the break of the trend line after it had retested that trend line, and that is exactly what it did. Played out to perfection. We drew this trend line last week. I advised that a break of the trend line and then a test and then taking a short, and there it did. So if we would have entered on the touch of the trend line around this area at 107.39, it went down as 106.16. So we've got over 100 pip move there if you'd have took profit around this area. I still like the short, unless price comes back up and touches the trend line and breaks above this area here at 107.77. Where I would place my stop if I was in that trade at the moment. I still like the short, probably down to this area here. There is a lot of talk on the grapevine or on Twitter, on a lot of the news sites, on the Forex sites, thinking that the dollar is going to implode and see an extended move down, which would suggest price coming back up to these levels. However, from experience, take that advice or that information with a pinch of salt. Maybe stick it in the back of your mind for something to have a quick consideration over before placing your trades, but don't trade based on those information that you see on social media. So that's Euro-USD. If you're still in a short, excellent, brilliant trade. If you didn't get fearful and take profit there, I probably would think it is coming down to probably down to these levels here yet again, as it looks like we may be starting in a ranging market. So we'll go to the next one. We'll have a look at cable, GBPUSD. Perfect trade set up right there at this moment in time. We drew this trend line on, I think it may have been Tuesday or Thursday of last week. A break of the trend line, come back down. Do we take a long from the bounce of the trend line? I would wait for daily close. Daily close is above this line here. I'd like to see a long up to these levels I'd advised in previous videos. If we break down below here, I don't really like taking a long from this level down here, because we've got 1, 2, and then this area 3 that have come down and tested these levels and bounced back up. We may have exhausted a lot of buyers in those 3 touches, so price may come down and blast through and test these lows down here, which would suggest US dollar strength, which goes against what's being handed around on social media at the moment. But again, take trades at your own discretion. There's no correct or wrong way to trade, just however your system works for you. So I would still be taking shorts up here if price come up here, and a daily close below this trend line I'd be shorting down to probably 2370. Quite a small target there, but I think a break of that trend line is paramount important. We'll pick another one. What should we have a look at? New Zealand dollar, US dollar. That's the daily chart. I've not looked at this one in a while. It looks like we're ranging. No apparent strong trend, although, yeah, no apparent strong trend. Doesn't seem to be making a sustained move lower or a sustained move higher. We'll stick a fib on there just to see where we are at current levels. If you're wanting to know how to apply the Fibonacci retracement tool on a Wonder FX Trade, which is the platform I'm showing you, I have got a video of that if you wanted to just look back over my previous videos, and there'll be one there. So we'll take it down to this low. So we're consolidating around the different levels and either breaking through or dropping below. We did have a sustained move up above the 236, came back down, went lower than the 382. Stopped around the 236 again. Drop below, bang, bang, bang. In fact, we'll stick a Fibonacci on this level here. I shall show you now. From this low to this high. See where we are. So we came down to the 618. Looked like we were going to break. Came up, consolidated, and then moved back up. We are in a very, very, very nice supply area there. But there has been a lot of selling from this area in here. Touched, dropped, touched, dropped, touched, dropped, and now we're back up here again, or testing those levels. Is it likely to drop again? It's not a great setup, but yeah, we did make a lower low in this range there. The price is coming back up, so we may be seeing a bit of a downward channel. Let's have a look by sticking a trend line on there. So that's the top line of the channel. We'll get rid of this fib for now. And we'll duplicate that line there. Where are we? So we may have a bit of a channel forming. We did break it here, but then came back up and we've tested this level again. Maybe a short trade again then, I'm guessing. If I was to pick a direction, down to maybe this level here, 7055. That's a quick analysis there on New Zealand US dollar. We'll do one more before I go. If anybody's got any recommendations or they wanted me to have a look at a specific currency pair, just leave it in comments and I'll do it on my next video. CADJPY. Daily chart again, we made a sustained move lower. It's come back up. Maybe getting into a bit of a ranging market down here. We've got 1, 2, 3 touches of the price around these levels. I do like the short. Maybe down to about here, 83.17. Have a look. So we came back up. Sustained move, back up, tested those levels again, sustained move down, making a lower low. Come back up here, if it makes a lower high, which it looks like it has done, let's stick a trend line on there. To this level. And we'll duplicate that to see if it's creating some sort of channel. Duplicate. If a channel's forming, I believe that will be the channel. So yeah, a low down to maybe, may take a bit of time, down to this level here, 84.47. Okay, that's CADJPY. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I'll do another one on Thursday. I will maybe get an update on the analysis that I've done there. If you've got any questions about anything that I've shown in the videos, if you agree with my opinion or not, perfectly happy to take comments. I hope you have a great day, guys. Good luck in the markets, and subscribe, and I shall catch you later. Bye for now.